Millerton Lake. This is the fourth lowest ramp, I think. I think this is the lowest ramp. The dam is far, far away. And stay right there, Lydia. Stay right there. Got it down. And here we are off-roading at Millerton. Water level is very low right now in the springtime. So what did we bring with us this time? Yep. Bikes, lots of bikes. Okay, Lydia wants to come here every day also. Tyler, Travis, and Troy. Okay, Travis wants to try a big drop off, Lydia. He wants to go down. We're gonna watch him before he breaks his neck. Look, he hasn't broken his neck yet. Watch him. He doesn't even know how to use brakes. Look. Look, he's about to die right now. Look. Look. This is the last time you'll see him alive. Look, this is the last time you'll see him alive.
There's a big drop right here.
What is your last wish? Tell the camera before it's too late. The only place to go is over there. The sand. See? This is all slippery rock. You will slip.
Okay, I'll go here, then go to the sand. I'm gonna try not to crash into that rock.
Okay, Travis is driving us.
The windows so no one can see us. Oh, we're fine.
Okay, Travis is gonna drive us at Millerton Lake.
Travis.
He's gonna get us stuck. He's gonna get us stuck.
Daddy's helping me. We're fine. Daddy's helping me.
That is just carrying you.
Daddy's helping me so you don't fall into the flower.
And here are the passengers. Are they even worried? Lydia, hold on to it. Give it to Tyler. Tyler's still gonna hold on. Okay, Travis is gonna be driving us.
We're all gonna die.
Okay, let's see if he's gonna get us stuck in the ditch. Then we have to call a tow truck. Okay. Okay, Millerton Lake. Okay. Here they come off of the boat launch. This is the fourth lowest, or I should say fourth highest boat launch at Millerton Lake. The water is very low.
Daddy, record me.
Okay, go ahead, Troy.
Daddy, record me.
Okay.
I don't like
Oh wait, this is the third highest boat launch. Yeah. Yeah. So this year so far, snow has not melted, so we don't have a usable third. We have a usable fourth. So we do have boats, but this one's not usable right now. Okay, go ahead.
I kind of got in my face.
Okay. Come down, Tyler.
What?
Come down.
You know what? Daddy, record me.
Okay, go ahead.
Daddy, record me.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm recording both of you. Third highest boat launch. Travis, go ahead, go down. Nice day today. Nice and just plain breezy. Low water level. Just perfect weather out here. Boat launches are extremely steep and extremely long.
I made it.
Steep and long.
I made it.
You put Travis in zero view? Zero gear? Oh. Okay. Put him on zero gear. Okay.
What?
Seagull colony. Uh-oh, a few of them are flying away, and then that's a Seagull Island over there, it looks like.
Can the phone even see it? Yeah, Seagull Island.
Daddy's camera has lagged.
Uh-oh.
Seagull Island.
They're all flying away now. It's good enough. You can still see it. So many gulls. It's like a whole sky of gulls.
Oh my God, there's so many! They're screaming.
It's like invasion of the birds. I can't even get all of them. They're everywhere. There's so many of them, I could feel their, I could hear their wings. There are so many of them, right, Lydia? So many of them. Look. So many of them. Can you hear their wings?
Yes, if you move, they will go like.
Yeah, look. They're all swooping all around you guys. Look, so many of them, Troy. This is even more gulls than at the ocean. Okay, do you guys want to chase them or no? You guys want to chase them? All right. Okay, so many gulls. All right.
What about Lydia?
Go, Troy. Go, Lydia. You can go.
Go, Lydia, hurry before Troy gets them all.
Go.
The mosquitoes are coming in now.
Dad, the mosquitoes.
Oh my god, I already put their seatbelts on. Lydia can't do anything.
Lydia's helpless.
There's a freaking spider inside.
No.
There's a spider that was crushed by the door.
We'll wipe it off. Lydia, come back here now.
Give me a napkin.
No.